Welcome back, guys. My name is Jason. You can call me Coach J, and in today's video I'm going to be going over the 20-second strategy in my guidebook called the Workspace Optimization. You can check that out in the link down below. It's completely free. It's got 25 of my favorite and most commonly used strategies that I've used to really take control of my immediate surrounding, so I have more focus and clarity. And I hope that by reading it, you'll also take full advantage of it immediately as soon as you finish it. But for those of you who are more interested and curious and want to learn more about the specific strategies in action, this video will hopefully answer that. And if not, you can directly message me and or leave a comment down below so that I can get back to you as soon as I can. So without wasting any further time, let's get into today's topic. Build a vision board. By having clear intention of where you're going, you're able to see firsthand where you want to go. And by having a vision board, you will be able to focus more clearly on the tasks right in front of you. Like I said, once you have the clear focus and you have a clear direction, you're able to take full advantage of the tasks in front of you so that you know exactly where you're going and be intentional about it. So what I recommend you do is to first get a board. I usually I have the foam board with me. It's a very thin, light foam board that I can carry it anywhere I want. But for those of you who want a more permanent solution, you can find a cork board or something like that to pin the pictures that you will be printing out on it. And by doing that, you're able to reference it whenever you feel demotivated or don't or want to hack your brain to think that is really the direction and intent that you want to take whatever you're doing. And so I highly recommend you check that out. I'm going to leave a link to the foam board that I have used in the past to create a vision board down below, so you can check that out and see for yourself. There are a few sizes that you can choose from, but I'll leave the description. I'll try to go back and see what size I got for that. So by doing that, these are a few guidelines to help you build a vision board. So what I did was I actually divided the different pictures that I've compiled together in 3 different categories. So the first would be for my identity, the person that I would become in the process of achieving my goals and accomplishing tasks. And then second would be experiences, like where would I end up, where would I go, where would I visit. This can include travel, which is the biggest thing, but it can also just be hanging out with different people that you've never met, talking to cool people, and all this other stuff that you have in your mind that you want to put down and materialize in a picture form. Then the third one is material, and by the way, this is in order of importance for me. So I consider my identity the most important, who I'll become in the journey. Second will be experiences, the people that I'll meet, the places I'll see, the foods that I'll try, and stuff like that. Material would be like more permanent solutions, I guess, like houses, cars, stuff that I know that I will want to own one day. And so those 3 things will help to set up a structure and guideline for you to use in order to build a more comprehensive vision board for you in your life and to help you eventually to reference this after you finish building the vision board, so that you're staying focused on the direction that you want to take your life. So if you like this video, make sure to click that thumbs up button, click on the subscribe button to see more videos like this and more. I won't be stopping just at the 25 strategies. I'll be releasing more videos related to general productivity and optimization strategies, and I hope that you've learned something from this. Like I said, first go ahead and check out that guidebook if you haven't, to get as much value from it, because there's a lot in it, and you can pretty much optimize your workspace just from reading the guidebook. So hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in the next one.